So people are not happy with it. Grace Mondlana, they say she's here to finish their money, guys. The people are saying that is totally unfair. Oh, Grace Mondlana, she needs to go back. So let's get to start of today. No, that's the hassle. Someone, peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy 2026. Oh, Grace Mondlana, she's the most successful content creator, guys. She's doing so well for herself. She's 23 years old. She's a qualified teacher. She has worked with so many brand deals, guys, and most of the time she will post her content on TikTok, guys. We introduced to her through TikTok, guys, when she was fighting with Lerato Ngomalo, guys. Oh, Grace Mondlana's, guys, she's doing so well. Numbers, they don't lie. So now Grace Mondlana, she has joined Facebook, and Facebook content creators, they are not happy, especially those who have been on Facebook for so many years. Most content creators, celebrities, influencers did not like Facebook. Currently, they are now joining Facebook to make more money, guys. So, Grace Mondlana, she has also joined the platform. One of the people that are doing so well, currently she's doing so well on Facebook. It was Ntsotso Zanile Shongwani, followed by Maki, guys. I don't know what is happening to Maki after she has lost her Facebook page that was sitting on 3 million followers. So right now that Grace Mondlana, she has joined the Facebook page, people are saying now we're going to turn into fan base instead of being content creators. We're doing so well, we're making our 3 cents, our 2 rand. Now we have to focus on Grace Mondlana instead of focusing on herself, So people are not happy, guys. People are saying she will finish their money on Facebook. People are saying with all the money that it was here on Facebook, guys, there's a piece of cake for everyone. As long as you are making money, you will get your money. There's no need for you to say, oh, because Grace Mondlana, she has arrived, I'm not gonna make money because of her. As long as you know yourself, you know how to create content, there's nothing to worry about it, guys. Everybody wants money, guys. We live in Cyril Ramaphosa economy, so I don't blame Grace Mondlana for joining the platform. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care.